HousingAnywherecom reviews app. The pros, the cons. If you're searching for temporary rentals or student housing abroad, Housing Anywhere is a popular option. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's just a booking platform, but the surprising truth is the app also provides landlord reviews, neighbourhood insights, and direct communication with property owners, which makes relocation easier. The pros: users praise ease of use, transparent listings, and reliable messaging with landlords. The app shows verified photos, lease terms, and reviews from previous tenants, helping you make confident decisions. It's particularly useful for students and expats, as it covers cities worldwide and offers flexible rental durations. The cons: some users report service fees on bookings and occasional delays in landlord responses. A few also mention that not all listings are updated, so availability can vary. In short, the pros are verified listings, transparent communication, and global reach, while the cons are service fees and occasional response delays. The takeaway: HousingAnywherecom Reviews app is a strong choice for temporary rentals, especially for international students and travellers, but always double-check availability and fees. If this review helped, like and subscribe for more travel and housing app insights.